Hi guys, welcome once again. Today I'm going to show you how to do this center very easily. Okay, let's start with what the material is required for this. I'm taking 20, not 20, this is 22 gauge wire. Okay, so I need let's say a cutter, a daisy cutter, right? Then angled tweezers. Then I have this Dresden tool. Then I have a sharp knife, any knife would do, a precision knife or a sharp knife, whatever you want, a brush, water, and of course I'll be needing the long nose tweezer, long nose pliers. So, and I've colored magic paste with black, little bit of black because I'm going to dust it again. Okay, let's do the center nose. So, okay, twice you roll it. And my hands are all colored because I was coloring with black, so it's nothing else but the black color, which is again the magic color, right? Right. So I'm taking a pea-sized black color flour paste, so I'm conditioning it. I'm not going to use any water or anything because the paste is quite, let's say, wet. You can do any fantasy flowers. You can always do what do you call sunflowers with this using a bigger one. Okay, this is the angle tweezer. So anyway, I will be covering the down portion with this. So I'm just doing the top portion on the sides. So if the paste comes off, please remove it off. See, this is standing, so we can always remove it off. Yeah, this one remove it. You can use your scissors also for this. Okay. Right. This is fine. It looks natural. Okay. A little more if you want. Comes off, please remove it off. I'm just keeping this aside. This can go into the bag. Okay. So now I have already rolled out yellow color flour paste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out. This is a petal protector from Ultimates. So I just need 3. So you should not roll it very thin because what we are going to do is we are going to elongate the petals or each one. Okay, each petal will be elongating. So we will be needing 3 to 4. If you want it, you can go for 5 also. So I'm just taking 3. Let's get a clean cut. Right. So I'm just using my fingers to make it clean. Okay, that's one. I'm doing 3 just for showing. So to get a clean cut. That's 3. Okay, I'm just removing this now. I usually put it in an airtight container. Right. So let's do the remaining procedure. So I'm using a Dresden tool to elongate the petals. Okay, just see. Not widen it, just elongate. Those are my nails ka marks. And just turning it. Okay, then do it second time. Okay, even if it is tearing, don't worry about it. Okay, next I'm getting my precision knife, cut it into half. Okay, turning it as you can see. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little bit of water, because the first layer should adhere to the center. Okay, very little bit of water. Okay, a little bit opening. You can make this small and make a flower out of it also. Okay, now the next layer. Doing the next layer now. Still elongating. Just because this is the center of the flower and you're going to get petals, the outside, I'm not making it really big. Okay, okay, you can have 2 cuts also, problem So there is no problem. Right. So let us put a little bit of water in this, only on the center. Okay, this itself is quite full, but I'm going to do one more. Right. So this is the last one. Right. So I'm going to get 3 if the petal is too wide. Yeah. Right. So put the little bit of water in the center. And then I'm going to add it to the center. And give it a little movement. You can see the center now. Little bit of water here to stick. You can see how nice it looks. If you color it, or if this becomes a center for bigger petals, then also it will look nice. You can give it a little moment by separating this with the Dresden tool. I think this looks more natural. Yeah, I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you then.